Hello guys, myself Angita. Today in this video we shall see another problem, monotonic array. So what is monotonic? We know, right? An array is a monotonic if it is either monotone increasing or monotone decreasing. Either all the elements should be in the increasing order, else all the elements should be in the decreasing order. An array nums is monotone increasing it for all I lesser than equal to j, nums of I lesser than equal to nums of j. And array nums is monotone decreasing it for all I lesser than equal to j, nums of I greater than or equal to nums of j. Given an array, integer array nums, return true if the given array is monotonic, otherwise return false. So let's take the same example, 1, comma 2, comma 2, comma 3. As the answer we need to return in the boolean, let's take a variable, boolean variable known as true, flag equal to true. Let's set it to true initially. That means it's either in the increasing or decreasing order, the elements of the array. It's a monotonic array. Now we run the for loop or int I equal to 1 from here till the end of the array. For y I equal to 1, we'll compare I with I minus 1. That's why. So int I equal to 1 and I lesser than nums dot length and I plus plus. By any time, let's take for the ascending array, no? Ascending order. So by any time, if we get like nums of I is lesser than nums of I minus 1, it will be like 2, 1, 2, then again 1 and 3. If I is pointing here, you can see that 2 is greater than 1, fine, but 1 is lesser than 2. It should be greater than 2, right? So I and I minus 1. So nums of I, whatever is said, that is lesser than the nums of I minus 1. So if I minus 1 is any time greater than I minus 1 is greater than I, that means you have to you set the flag equal to false. It's not in an ascending order for now. Only for the ascending order I'm checking. Descending order yet to do. So that means array is not in ascending order, monotonic ascending order. That is for sure. And we break from the loop there itself. Now after this, for example, if you take this example, you can see I is always greater than I minus 1 for all the elements. 2 is greater than 1, 2 is greater than or equal to 2, and 3 is also greater than or equal to greater than 2. So yeah, this is a monotonic increasing array. By this time, this condition won't happen. Flag equal to false will not be set. So after this for loop, if flag is equal to true, after this for loop also if flag is equal to 0, that means it's a monotonic increasing array, right? So you just return the flag as true. So once you return, it will go out of the entire program. What if the flag is set to false? In this case, the flag will be set to false here. So else condition will come. If flag is not equal to true, then comes the else part. So for else part, we will take the other example, 6, 5, 4, comma 4. So if we take this example, else part, again run the for loop for int I equal to 1 to 1 to I length and I plus plus. Now you have to check by any time if the given array is like 5, 6, 4, 4. Again, you can encounter that this 6 is greater than I minus 1. I is greater than I minus 1. That should not be happening. Every time I should be less than I minus 1. So if any time if we get I as greater than I minus 1, nums of I greater than nums of I minus 1. That means again, before this you have to reinitialize flag equal to true this time because you are just assuming that it will be in a monotonic decreasing order. So again, you flag will be set to false. That means it's not an increasing either decreasing order. So monotonic increasing or decreasing order. So flag is set equal to false. But here in this case, once flag is set equal to true after this condition, and you got to know that it's not in ascending order. So to check for descending order, again you set flag equal to true. And you check whether I is less than I minus 1. Yeah, 5 is less than 4, 4 is less than 5, 4 is less than or equal to 4. So it is in decreasing order. So this condition won't happen. Flag will be true itself. So if flag is false, if we encounter, then we just break from the loop because that's further iterating to the loop is not required because you found here itself that it's not in either decreasing order. So at last you have to return the flag. So if I need to code this now, boolean flag equal to true. Let's set equal to true. For int I equal to 1 and I lesser than nums dot length I plus plus. If by any chance anywhere if you found in this case if I is lesser than I minus 1, nums of I is lesser than nums of I minus 1. That means it's not in an ascending order. So you set flag equal to false. Flag equal to false. Once you set flag equal to false, you just break from the loop. No need of iterating further. So as you get into this, you come out of the loop, right? Now I have to check if flag is equal to true. Or if flag, if you write flag is equal to true, it should be flag. Just return the flag. Because yeah, we got to know that it's in monotonic increasing order. If this is not the case, here the flag will be set equal to false. You will get it right. If that is not the case, else condition will come. Again, you have to check whether it is in the decreasing order. So again, I iterate the loop for int I equal to 1 and I lesser than nums dot length I plus plus. If here you have to check for the condition if anywhere if you consider here nums of I is greater than nums of I minus 1. Nums of I if it is greater than nums of I minus 1. Here it was lesser than, here it is greater than. So that means yeah it is not in decreasing order as well. So again we set flag equal to false. And before coming to the entire loop for decreasing order, again you have to set flag equal to true here. Because here you might have got flag equal to false. Once you get flag equal to false, you come to the else part, right? For the else part, again you're checking it, whether it's in decreasing order or not. First you assume it is in decreasing order. That's why you set flag equal to. Then you check whether any element is in non-decreasing order or something. Then you set flag equal to false and break from the loop. So that's it. And now at last you can return the flag. I lesser than dot. Okay, here I see. And yeah, you can see the beat is 100%. If you have any doubts, please drop out in the comment section. We'll come up with another with the next section. Until then, subscribe to the channel and keep learning. Thank you.